Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure for me to be able to talk to you at this from this podium. And my presentation is a little different. And Motilal Oswal people said all is well. And then Suresh Mantri has said that you can build a lot of wealth. You can, not you will. And then the other gentleman has said how you can really conduct others' portfolio accounts and how you can manage it. My focus is going to be how you, as me, or as well any one of us, can really build wealth automatically by ourselves instead of trying to keep dreaming about if I had invested 30 years back, I would have made a lot of money. If I had invested about 50 years back, I would have made a lot of money. They're all history and they're all not practical. So what I want to stress upon today is going from today. Today, can I see some possibility, or is it possible for me to really check if somebody comes forward with a theory saying that you can build wealth, can he show some evidence? So my effort is going to be totally built on the kind of experience vetted by someone very competent in the market, and then since we launched, how the products have been performing live. It is not like going to be kind of back testing cases. Yeah. So what I try to do is, when we come to the kind of go ahead. Okay. See, all of us require advice to make money because many of us feel that we are not competent to make money. That's why either we go to the mutual fund or go to the broker or go to the portfolio manager or go to someone who is a friend of ours seeking an advice what to buy to benefit in the long run. So, but when you try to look at it, market analysts normally do it on the TV. They don't have an incentive. What they say is may or may not be meant to you, so you don't pay them. So you can't expect them to be accountable to you when they give a wrong advice. If you go and catch him after the market is over, why did you say so? He said, I didn't mean it to you. So you can't really obviously blame them. And the same way, if you go to the brokerage houses, the dealers will be advising you to buy and sell. That is mostly to churn the portfolios and earn brokerage so that they keep their jobs. So they are not likely to be unselfish. And then if you go to the portfolio managers, they do manage your portfolios well. Probably they make some money for you, but they don't have any incentive to disclose what they advise you to buy, what they advise the portfolios to be bought, because if they do it, they are not going to be paid anything more. So they will keep it to themselves and they will not give you any kind of advice directly. So the only thing that is left finally is the investment advisors. Is it working? Yeah. And when we come to this, the only thing that I can claim to be different from most of the other brokers in this horizon in India at this point of time we are only objective. We are not subjective. As the Motilal Oswal gentleman has clearly said, we are not smart. Is it audible? Okay. Can anybody? Yeah, okay. Like, all that we have to say here is, there has to be an objective approach. We are not two gods. Like Ashish Chauhan clearly has said, like everybody who is coming on TV is just like any one of us. And I am one of that character. I am just like one of you, and who have gone a step ahead and then done some research purely on objective criteria. And I never claim personal brilliance to be able to spot a winner. And if I can spot a winner, so can you, if you also follow the same system that we have been following for so many days. How I do it is, I tell you very briefly before I go to the presentation of the slide. What we did was 14 years data. From 2000 to 2014 we collected. In fact, 2002 to 14 I can say. And then what I did was, of all the companies that are reported, we tracked 5,000 companies, removing the companies' names, and then tracked the fundamental performance of the companies going on trailing 12-month basis. Last 12 months is what we compared. And latest trailing 12 months was compared with the previous trailing 12 months to check whether the company has improved on basic parameters like sales growth, profit margin, like normally whatever you guys can do and I also can do. So we did this kind of work, and then we came up with almost like 68,000 or 70,000 cases of companies where they have improved their performance in the subsequent quarter compared with when we compare TTM numbers. Then what we did was, now we have got the number of companies that are doing well in the past. Now can we identify and then try to give a value based on objective criteria, based on completely objective criteria, I don't go to Gujarat market to study whether monsoons are good, automobile demand is going to be good, and then give my subjective factor of 20% Bajaj Auto will sell more. I don't want to do that. I only go with the objective criteria, and then we came up with a valuation model which is like kind of IPR for us, intellectual property right for us. We came up with a valuation model to assign fair values to all the companies in the universe. I am stressing once again, all 5,000 companies that we track, the fair values are assigned as soon as the company's results are announced. And when we announce, two things can happen. As soon as the quarterly results are announced, the company's fair value may be above the market price, or company's fair value that we decided may be below the market price. So when I want to buy the stock is when the fair market value decided by us is above the market price. That means there is a scope to grow, or we call it headroom. Only when there is a headroom to grow from that current price, we consider it as investment worthy. Otherwise, we don't say the company is bad. The company is good, but it is little too pricey for us to capture, so we stay away from that. So what we did was, when we checked about 240,000 cases, out of them 68,000 instances, the companies have reported better earnings. Out of them, only 20,000 instances there was a headroom. That means almost 48,000 instances, the company was good. But according to our analysis, the price being traded on the date of announcement of results is already higher than the fair price determined by my system. So I cannot touch them. So I left all of them behind. And then we concentrated on only the balanced companies, which are about 18,100, which are about 20,680. To our surprise, to my utter happiness, 87.5% of the companies have performed very well in the subsequent 3 months. I am not talking about 30 years. I am talking about 3 months. So you can test on paper whatever Vivekam says going forward for the next 3 months and check for yourself what he spoke to all of us made really sense or not. So when we checked up, 87% of them have gone up. And then you may ask me, boss, if you are saying that you have been able to spot the winners all the time, can you share what is that you are going to buy today? I know that I can expect this question, so I came up with a list. So these are the companies which we will recommend today. This is taken as of yesterday. Please write down. Feel free to write down and then check after 3 months' time whether all these companies have gone up by at least 10% or not in the next 3 months' time. I am saying 87% success rate is there, which implies 13% failure is also there. So if 2 of them do not work, don't come and hang me. All that you can say is at least 8 of them have gone up, so this guy seemed to have carried some sense when he spoke about it. And then what we also do is, many people ask me, Prasad, you are saying that these are the companies, you are only talking about future because you live in Hyderabad, we live in Bombay, we can't get you, so you can get away with whatever nonsense you speak on the dais. So all that I am saying is the confidence comes from the back testing. Now we will go back to the previous 2 instances. Let us go to the next slide. Where I get my confidence from? I have taken 2 random dates. Because the time given to me is only 20 minutes, I cannot take too many dates. I only have picked up 2 random dates. For example, one date is 7th of July 14th, 2011. July 14, 2011, when we checked, there were 10 companies recommended on that day. Out of them, in the next 3 months, 8 companies have gone up, whereas 2 companies have not been able to go up, which implies 80% was the success rate on 7th of July 14, 2011. Next slide, please. And then when I take in February 9th, 2011, then we have next slide. And in this case, there are all 10 out of 10 companies have gone up. But this is something back testing. I could have easily picked up the companies that have gone up and showed you as my presentation, as my kind of achievement. I don't want you to jump into that conclusion. You can go to my website and then check any given day of your choice. You don't even need to call us, talk to us, speak to us, nothing. You can just go to the website, and then if you become yourself a member by paying about 1,000 rupees or 600 rupees, something like that per year, then you can easily check any day of your choice and then test us for about 3 months. Only when you grow in confidence that these people carry sense, you can always refer and consider becoming clients of ours. Now, I told you how I recommend the stocks. The stock that has got a fair value higher than the market price are the stocks that are supposed to be recommended by the company. And then once I buy, let us say, Prasad, we tested you for 3 months, they are working, and how I bought the stocks, when do I need to sell? We tell you that every stock that you bought into, when you sell, that is also offered by the website. When you go into any company that you have bought into, for example, I showed you the syntax in the previous slide as of today. and you will see the fair value determined by the computer. It will give you the fair value to be 115.89. Now the question is, if the Syntex really goes to 115.89 or 116, you may have a double thinking process. You will go and talk to your broker. Syntex mein khareed liya, now it has gone up. Do you think I should hold on? Now the advice comes from the broker. So don't blame me if it goes down again. Don't praise yourself or pat yourself if it goes up. All that we say is, we are humans, we follow systems. We do not want to be claiming too much of an intelligence. If a stock reaches the fair value within the stipulated time, no matter what, we suggest you to sell, cash the money, and then use that money to buy the stocks that are good on that day. This is how the cycle goes on and on. Next slide, please. And many people ask me, suppose we buy when you say and sell when you sell, whenever you say to sell, how was the performance in the past 10 years? Mind you, this is the back testing data where I have compiled the data for 15 years, not just for 1 year. Mind you, once again, when I say 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year and 5 years, what I meant was it includes all the average returns of the last 1 year periods and 5 year period kind of stuff. If you can look at the last column, there is a product called Smiles Growth, which is equal to SIP model like mutual funds, that has given a return of 34.4% return compounded annual growth rate. And just now you heard, if it generates 17% return, what kind of wealth could be made? And if it generates 34% compounded annual growth rate, probably your 1500 rupees saved on a cigarette per month will probably become 3 crores instead of 1 crore. As simple as that. Now let us go to the next slide, please. But when I present you the data, this data can be doctored. I may have fabricated the data, or I may have collected all the possible favorable data to come and present you as a hero. I don't want to do that. This data may be dependable. Next, please. Past is no indication for future performance. You see the rider in every mutual fund scheme, so that is also the here. Averages include the best periods of the market, because if you take 2009 to 2010, the market bounced back very well. 2013 markets have recovered very well and phenomenally did well. I pick up the average of 150% 1 month, 1 period, and then take minus 10% 1 month, average it, and then say 70%. It is nothing but misleading or deceptive. So what I would do is, I want to stay away from purely relying on only old data. What I would also try to do is, you have to ask me a question. Prasad, instead of giving me an average data, average date, can I ask you a specific query? What would have happened if I started on so-and-so date? You ask me. Instead of, not even ask me, you go to my website, key in the date of your choice. It will give you what the performance of the portfolio could have been. Go to the next slide, please. I picked up one date, 1st of January 2011. If you had started in one of our products called BioGrowth, which is nothing but bespoke investment option growth model, if you had gone there, your 2 lakhs would have become 6,75,000 as against the index return of 5.25%. Any portfolio manager, any mutual fund manager, any institution, all of them, their primary goal is to make money is okay, but in the adverse situation, in the market, the whole is tanking, they don't expect to make money. They expect to lose less than index when it is losing. They expect to make more when the index is rising. That's what we try to benchmark. Our performance should be benchmarked with the index, but not with the absolute returns, because the markets are bound to go up and down during the cycles. For example, in this product, if you see, 5.25% was given by the index in the 5 years compounded annual growth rate, whereas this product would have given you 27.59. Immediately the doubt is, again this can be doctored. This can become kind of a fabricated data. When you go to my website, you see the details column at the bottom. When you click on the details column, to your email address, all the transactions date-wise will be emailed to you within 24 hours, and you can go check in the BSE Stock Exchange site or NSE website whether all the transactions were actually possible at that price on the given days. That kind of clinical details will be emailed to the clients or to the visitors, so that they feel happy that they are talking to someone who carried a lot of conviction behind the argument. Next slide, please. And if I started in mutual fund, many people will say, I can start in the SIP. I can even save 500 rupees. Unfortunately, in equities, you cannot save 500 rupees per month, but it can go as low as 5,000 rupees per month. What we say is, investing in lump sum could be risky, but can we follow the systemic investment, or can I follow the SIP model for equity? Yes, you can. And what we do is, when you go to the next slide, you will understand. This is a SIP model. It is started on 1st of January 2011. I compiled the data up to 3rd of February, 3rd of February 2015. If we have invested just 10,000 rupees per month every month, the returns given by the product has been 35.4% against index return of 15.84%. Index has given very good returns, 15.84. But this monthly product of growth, which is nothing but systematically following the suggestions given out by the computer, purely based on metrics, would have given you a return of 35.4% return. According to me, a 20% outperformance over the index is something very, very few people in this industry can match or even compare. Next slide, please. Now I said this, you listen to me, because you don't have computers in front of you, because you don't have computing skills in front of you, you can probably say, he said something which looks convincing, but I can't really verify it. That's the reason before coming here, we got our model vetted, verified, approved, and endorsed by the most competent people in Bombay. What we did was, we offered the same model. We offered the same model to a couple of brokers, telling them this is what we have in our mind. And this hypothesis can be model only when it is weighted by someone. When is missing there? Appraisal must be from respectable entities. And who is the biggest broker according to you in retail segment who can be trusted by you? Who is the biggest broker? Retail segment. Anyone? Is there any retail broker whom you can really immediately refer to? Sher Khan? Motilal Oswal? These are the brokers, right? I referred it to the Sher Khan, and Sher Khan have done this analysis. Go to the next slide. And this is the observation given by Sher Khan to their board of directors. If any Sher Khan employee is here, you are most welcome to go and talk to your CEO and then directors whether this was true or not. They carried out this exercise because they did not believe when I presented this story to them. They went, analyzed, approved, and then they presented these slides to their board of directors to get it approved and then have a deal signed up with Vivekam. For example, in this, if you notice, they completely split the whole data into three phases. One, a bullish run, and followed by a fall after 2008, and followed by a recovery phase. In all three phases, as you can notice, in the bull phase, this product has given 1200% return against an index return of 482%. When the market fell, we also fell. I never say when the market falls, you will make money. When the market falls, you also will fall, but your recovery would be fast. When in the market fell, index fell down by 51%, the portfolio has gone down by 54%. But in the following recovery phase, when index recovered approximately about 90%, this product has recovered 116%. To sum and substance, next slide please. Next slide will give you the numbers. They said, whenever the portfolio is performing well in the bull run, it is comparable to mid caps. That means the bull run, it is doing very well. And in the drawdown cases, it is drawing down to the close of almost close to the Nifty level. And in the recovery stage, again, it is beating the index. In sum and substance, finally they said, click. 3 times you have to click. Again. Yeah. To summarize, they said, returns are comparable to mid-cap, whereas drawdown is comparable to Nifty. This is what we wanted to achieve when we started the whole exercise and blew an astronomical amount of money in building up the whole structure. We spent an amount of 6.5 crores to build this infrastructure to be automated, to be accessible by thousands or even lakhs of people when they want, automatically from their websites, automatically from their computers. And then all this is theory, all this is past. I have already started because 2011 we discussed with Sher Khan, and we started the portfolios of Sher Khan also in 2014 or 13 approximately, 14 I guess. And then we have been running the products, though very limited way because we never advertised so far. And how did it really perform in real life? I did not want to show you 2013 because we did very well, extremely well in 2013. Up to 2014 November, we were able to beat all the mutual funds in the country, no matter what the name is. But 2014 onwards, we have not been able to beat all the mutual funds, though we managed to beat many of the mutual funds. So I wanted to compare the performance of 2015 in buyer growth product, which is nothing but a lump sum investment product. Come here. Yeah, go to the next slide. This is the slide. This is the actual live performance of 2015. What we did was, you must have seen there are 3 lines in that. The gray line indicates, it appears as blue for you in this sheet. The light blue line indicates the actual investment. Magenta or kind of red color is actually the portfolios, and the light blue color is nothing but the index performance. What we do is, he may have started on one day, he may have started on one day, she may have started on some other day. Instead of saying that this portfolio has done very well and only show you one product or one client account to the entire world saying that we have done well, we aggregate all the portfolios. If I have a sound principle in my system, everybody who followed my system together should have made more money. One of them may have lost money, is okay, but together they should have made money. Together we should have beaten the system and Nifty. That's what we compare. When we check in the end, as of today, as of 3rd of February, as of 31st of December 2015, we were below the investment value because some investments have come in December and November also. But we were beating the index clearly. This is for a lump sum product. Now let us roll to the next slide, please. This is for monthly investment product. This monthly investment product has never looked down. It has never been able to be beaten by the Nifty. All through its life, it managed the gap between the Nifty and the performance, and it is also in the positive territory, which implies it not only generated positive returns, it has beaten the index by a margin of around 7 to 8%, even in the most difficult period of 2015. This is a standing testimony for not personal brilliance again. There is no personal brilliance here. This is completely disciplined, systematic, process-driven portfolio stuff. Now let us go to the next slide, please. And many of you would say, it all sounds good. If I have money, I know I have to invest today, but we are already 100% invested. We are already stuck deep, neck deep. We cannot really dream of putting any more money. Can something be done to the portfolios? If your system is so strong, can you do something with our existing portfolios also? Is the routine question that I face from most of the existing clients. For them, we have an answer. Let us go to the next slide. Many times, in fact, I have seen one gentleman, senior gentleman, I don't want to discredit him or kind of abuse him. When Mr. Ashish Chauhan was here, he slowly pulled out a sheet from his computer, from his pocket, and then opened it. It is a long list. Can you give me an opinion on these stocks? We do face this kind of issues, right? Whenever someone in your relative circle know that you are a stock market analyst or exposed to stock market, the moment they spot you, they will come out with a list. Can you give me a suggestion on this list of stocks? What do you say? Either you pose saying that I hold this, sell this, add this, hold this, sell this, add this. You can say either that, or you can say, I only track few companies, sir. I don't track all the companies. Either way, what happens is the gentleman will not be satisfied because he expected a positive reply from you, whereas he did not get it. But when it comes to the Vivekam and through its web interface, for any of your advisors can be well equipped by yourself. If you happen to tie up with any of our service or our kind of service, need not necessarily be Vivekam, anybody who is following on the similar lines, whether it is a single stock portfolio or 100 stock portfolio or 200 stock portfolio, if they come to me, all that I need is, please go and give your portfolio to my receptionist. She types it out, or if you bring it in electronic form, in less than a minute, the entire study will be undertaken. And what is that we present? Let me show you. Like, this is the long list of our presentation, and immediately what we do is, as soon as they come, next, companies will be marked as green if the companies have been performing well. I doubt how many of us holding more than 20 stocks will have an active track record of how many of them are really going up quarter on quarter. If you have, you are wonderful. If you don't have, you are not alone. There are a lot of thousands of people like you in the market who do not track it. What we do is, we show the TTM earnings of the last quarters, and then we also show them the target prices. Because we have a system of assigning a fair value to each and every share, we immediately give a target prices, and we also tell them whether they can continue to hold, or they should sell, or they should be ready to sell because it may be close to the market price. Move to the next slide. Next slide, please. See, if you see from here, there are some companies which are shown in green, which implies these companies are fundamentally doing well and they are growing their operations. That is why when you look at the earnings, which is nothing but your number of stocks multiplied by the earnings per share, TTM basis, TTM, trailing 12 months basis, they will be in green color. Whenever you see a green color, the earnings must be growing. Whenever it is not in green color, that means the company is not really growing. It does not mean it is falling, it is not growing, it may be erratic. So all that we try to say is, we require just 1 minute time to understand how many of your stocks are doing well, how many of your stocks are not doing well. Just a minute's time, not just for me, you can do it for your clients also. And let us go to the next slide, which is even more important. And next what we say is, we present them the market price. Market price anyway will come to you because it's a data feed, and then we give them the target price at which the company should be sold, and then followed by an action point: hold, sell, be ready. There are only three. If your current market price is below the fair value, we will say hold, because I don't want you to sell a share, even if it is bad, at a price which is not fair. Even if it is bad. For example, if the company that you are holding is very good, but it is quoting much above the fair price, according to us, it is worth nothing. It has to be disinvested, it has to be sold. We tell them to sell. And for example, some share, for example, if you see in Larsen and Toubro, we are giving a fair value of 1203, whereas the market rate is around 1130. Then we say, be ready. That means you should be ready and focus on that L&T share from today onwards. Whenever it touches 1203 or something like that, you should be able to sell it. So we give you the clear-cut clinical dispensation of what should be done with each and every share in your portfolio in less than a minute time, or at the most 2 minutes time, even if the list is 200 companies long. Will it not be good for us? Whether it carries sense or not is a different case, but it will be some kind of information. Anybody who talks to you, you can easily say, give me your portfolio, and then upload it, get the report, give it to him. This is what my recommendations are. If you trust me, if you trust my company, or if you trust my methodology, there is no personal intelligence, as I said. If you like the methodology, that is how you can handle thousands and thousands of clients with effortless ease by deputing even your receptionist to handle them. Next slide, please. And in addition to that, whenever a client comes with a portfolio, we tell them, boss or madam, you have a reason to restructure your portfolio, because as of today, in this portfolio, if you see the portfolio PE ratio, how many of you, unhesitatingly, you have to admit it, have you ever tested your portfolio's PE ratio in your life? Even if you have 2 stocks or 3 stocks, if I ask you about Infosys PE ratio, somebody will immediately tell me 19. Or if I ask you about L&T PE ratio, immediately people will come up, or they will refer to the website and tell me. But if I ask you about your own portfolio PE ratio, no one knows. We do it. As soon as the portfolio is updated, it will compute the live portfolio PE ratio and it will compare it with the index. Then we tell them, sir, you want to invest in India in stock market to make money, right? And if your portfolio is holding a PE ratio of 30, whereas index is trading at 19, what are the chances for your portfolio to go further up? That means you are not on the solid footing. So you need to recheck. Some of the stocks may have to be sold so that you are definitely going to be stronger. So we give them a portfolio PE ratio immediately. Next slide. And as soon as I say this, people come up with a strange reason. I am a long-term investor. That's the routine term, no? Whenever you lose, you are a long-term investor. Whenever you gain, you are a short-term speculator. That's what we all do. I have been a broker for 25 years. I was partner of Motilal Oswal in Andhra Pradesh, and I know how clients' psychology works. So what we say is, whenever it goes down, put it under the carpet. When it comes up, we'll see. And if it comes up, immediately sell. Don't even wait because you think your cost price is kind of a very sanctorum. Your cost price is only known to you. Our market does not really give a damn to your market price, your cost price. It only concerns about fair price and market price. Cost price is immaterial. So what we do is, we tell them opportunities are lost in long term also, and our process could have probably helped you in the past. Our process could have, not all the cases. And then we offer them, please give me your so-called long-term portfolio and then tell me, for instance, how long have you been holding on to. If they say, I've been holding on it for 5 years, they take pride. Many people take pride. This portfolio is for my generation. 5 years I'm holding on to it. Welcome. We take the portfolio and then we upload the portfolio into my process called price. And in about 5 minutes time, it comes out with a result saying, if you had come to our company, to this process 5 years back with this portfolio, what could have happened with the system? What actually happened with your portfolio? Next slide, please. And this slide will tell you, if the client had come to me about 5 years back, 3 years back, his portfolio in real terms in his own hands has gone up by 27.41%, which is very good. But if he had followed a systematic investment and disinvestment like the process has mandated, he could have made 56.27%. This is the point, boiling point, where the clients normally say and accept there seems to be some value in what this guy is saying. And many times they say, still I want to test it. No problem. You shared your portfolio. From here onwards, every month we send you what my process would have asked you to do, and then to send it for about 6 months time. After 6 months time, you will realize whether you are missing something or you are gaining something by not going through a system. 90% of our clients walk back to our office proudly and say, hereafter we want to follow the system. Please start advising us from tomorrow. This is how, without a single rupee advertisement from Hyderabad, not from Bombay, from Hyderabad, which is small compared to the financial nerve center of country, still we were able to generate 100 crores of corpus in 2.5 or 3 years time. Approximately 3 years because we are in 2016. 100 crores corpus being built in Hyderabad by a company without a single rupee spent on advertisement, according to me, is something which is worth mentioning about. This is my last slide, and I don't mind taking any questions. Unfortunately, we wanted to book a stall in this exhibition this time. We could not do that, but I'm sure I think we'll be doing it definitely in Delhi, and next time in Bombay when they have a show, we'll definitely do it. At that point of time, I may be available to take questions at my stall, but at this point of time, if you have 1 or 2 questions, I can take the questions and answer you if you have any doubt. Even if your doubt may look stupid, but please ask it, because I have answers to almost 99.9% of the questions that can be asked by anyone. Thank you.
Any questions?
Hello, Mr. Prasad. Actually, I couldn't understand your bio and the smiles. Is it your software, part of your software?
I tell you, the approach is the same. I am audible?
It's little bit.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, the approach is the same. What we do is the computer picks up the stocks that are good for that day and then arranges them in a descending order on scope to grow. The top company is my first choice, second company is my second choice, third is my third choice, fourth is my fourth choice. We never buy less than 5 stocks for any client on any given day, even if the amount is 10,000 rupees. And we will never put more than 20% of the amount in one sector. The diversification is automatically handled. That is the model. And now, if you put money every month, that becomes smiles. If you put your money in 1 time or 2 times erratic, then it becomes a buy growth. Both are same. Ideology, approach, everything remains the same.
Do you give the demo in somewhere in your store?
I don't have a stall here.
Okay.
So you can go to my website, and then because as a trial visitor, you can log in for 7 days. Vivekam.co.in is my website. Go there, log in as a trial user. 7 days you drill us, and you go berserk. You really ask me any kind of things. We will still be able to answer you. Yeah.
Congratulations for your best. I just wanted to know that your results comes in just short term, thinking a short term pattern, or it also holds for a long term also, because it just goes on quarter to quarter. So somewhere companies give bad result in quarter, but in a long term they might be a good companies. So will your software or will your system give sell, or it will give a hold?
I tell you, you must have seen Gajini movie, right?
No.
I have a short-term memory loss, so I cannot think beyond 3 months.
Okay.
The reason is every company is expected to come with results once in 3 months. That is
Right.
all of us know it.
Right.
And I don't expect myself to be superiorly smarter than the promoters of the company, who obviously would pursue what is beneficial to their company. And if I have the intelligence that is better than the promoters to understand the future prospects of the company, even more than them, I know I don't have that ability. That's what I said. I am one of you. I am just like one among. I am not a kind of analyst who can go on to the TV and say, I expect this company to scale the new heights by 2019. I don't know whether I would live up to 2019. So I cannot give that kind of expectations. My approach is simple. Based on the latest results, what is likely to happen in the next 3 months. And as soon as the 3 months got over, 2 things can happen. Either my price has reached or not reached. If the price has not reached, I will review it when the quarter results announce again. So there is no long-term concept. Every 3 months is a new term.
Okay, so you keep churning the system.
No, we
gives
don't churn. Only thing is, if it reaches the maximum value, it gets sold. Otherwise, the new fair value will be established. It may continue in
And the
portfolio for more than a year.
Initiation of new stocks will come from the
Every
same
day.
system itself.
Every day.
Okay.
Every day as the results keep coming in, it gets updated at least 5 times a day.
And then in demo version also the same.
You
is
go to my
for 7
website,
days.
you go to my website, you have all the answers, 90% of them. If you don't have them, write an email to info@vivekam.co.in. I will make sure that you get the response as soon as possible.
Thank you.
Yeah, your system since it has
I
been
don't
like
fi-
yeah
sir,
oh yeah. Since it has been trading live, what is the Sharpe ratio you have been able to get?
Sir, Sharpe ratio is normally lent for mutual fund managers, right? So what we do is we try to benchmark it with the Nifty. And then we just compare it, like we want to be as easily understood by as many people as possible. If I ask the same kind of Sharpe ratio among all the people here, you and I know because I'm a chartered accountant, I know because you're an enlightened investor. But how many of them would understand the Sharpe ratio? All that they want is, kitna kamane ka, how much can I make? And the next question is, how much can I make more than index? So I try to appeal to the masses. I don't want to go to the fund managers and then say, I can manage a fund better. I don't want to claim that. This is going to be for retail focused product.
Okay, can you just provide a maximum drawdown it has?
That, I gave you the slide, right?
Yeah.
54%. About 10%, it was about 3% more than index, but you can take about 10% more than index as the drawdown because we have tested several cases.
Can you means that's one thing which interests me, that how come when the market is in the bull run you are able to beat the Nifty well, but when there is a fall, how is that Nifty is doing better than, because your system should sustain in that condition also.
I tell you how it works. I mean, that suits my convincing. I can tell you why I am so confident when I make a statement. Because 90% of the portfolios do well in the initial run, except 2015 kind of cases where the portfolios may have suffered in the initial days. Otherwise, normally portfolios do well in 1, 2 or 3 quarters more than index. And now they are sitting on a higher pedestal. When the index goes down, that drawdown is not high. You don't touch it from that level. You understand? I take it only from the current beginning value, no? That is why the drawdown will be shown as less. But if you try to take every point to point and then compare, then it may be more than that.
Okay, thanks.
I want to be candid, there's no question of trying to hide something from anyone.
That's fair enough. That's fair enough.
Sir, good afternoon. I'm Srinivas.
Sir, you have to speak a bit louder because there's a lot of noise.
Yeah, good afternoon. Is
Good
it
afternoon.
audible? Is it audible now?
Yeah.
See, I'm also from Hyderabad. So nice to meet you in Bharat, actually. So my question is that consider the global markets or impact of global market in the current Nifty and BSE.
Impact of global market.
Exactly. While determining a price or fair price of a stock or the profit earning ratio, whatever it is, do you really consider the global market factors?
I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
Okay.
See, the world markets have been in existence for the last 15 years or they just started today?
Fine.
They have been there for 15 years, no?
Yeah.
I tested the data for 15 years.
Correct.
And the results have been more than encouraging. So why worry about the markets today? I do understand your concern. I'm not trying to minimize the issue here. Don't think that I'm trying to trivialize the important question. All that I'm saying is, everything has to have a weight. And it is impossible for us to make an approach or build a theory that can give proper weights to every system that you want to put in. You can't really give a weight to the global market. Suppose it's a global market. Shanghai goes down, Shenzhen goes up. Or Europe goes up, America goes down, Brazil comes up. Then what is that you want to give? So what happens is you will be mired with enormous amount of data and you end nowhere. So we want to make a system simple enough. My duty is to make money. My hope is to make money. My duty or my responsibility is to make people lose less or earn more. So given that approach, our kind of variables that we are already factoring in, a lot of variables, all of them should suffice according to us, at least going by the track record so far.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in case of some companies which are being turned around, in that case, and if the portfolio is minimum one, it's 2 to 3 companies, in
Pardon
that
me?
case, if the portfolio is small one, for example, 2 to 3 companies, and that portfolio includes some turnaround companies,
Right.
in that case, how your
lose.
software,
See, that's what I'm saying.
how that your software gives the future of that
No,
company?
my software is not programmed to pick up the likely winners. My program is made to pick up the likely underpriced performing companies. The performing undervalued company only it picks up. It will not have the foresight to go and pick up the possible multi-baggers. No. It may also be there, but it is not guaranteed that multi-baggers will be identified because the approach is every 3 months there is a review. It is not like 3 years we don't take a stand at all. We don't take a stand. So obviously we miss out some of them. Multi-baggers we miss. But it is better to lose one multi-bagger and get 10 average performers than trying to look for one multi-bagger and lose in 9 companies.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your patience. And any one of you can always write to the company, info@vivekam.co.in, or even write in my name itself directly, vvkprasad@vivekam.co.in. I will make sure that every one of your queries will get answered as early as possible, latest within 7 days of your sending an email. Thank you so much.